10 and 18. Compute the 16th term of harmonic progression. The series name is given. Okay, the series name is given. So it is a harmonic progression. We have to find out 16th term. 6th and 11th term are given. Okay, already I told you how the harmonic progression will look like. Okay, is 1 by a, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, 1 by a plus 3d, etc. So like this, it carries on. And now coming to the 6th term, it is 1 by a plus 5d. This is the 6th term. Okay, and the value is given 10. Value is given 10. And the 11th term is also given 1 by a plus 10d. 1 by a plus 10d is the 11th term in harmonic progression, and the value is given 18. Okay, so these two are in harmonic progression. Now from this, what about arithmetic progression? In arithmetic progression, okay, the 6th term will be inverse, 1 by 10. 6th term is inverse. This is the value of a plus 5d, a plus 5d value. And the 11th term in arithmetic progression, the value is 1 by 18. This is a plus 10d value, a plus 10d value. I will take it as equation 1. This is equation 2. Subtract 2 minus 1. Subtract 2 minus 1. This a and a will get cancelled. 10 minus 5 will become 5d. And on the left side, it will be 1 by 18 minus 1 by 10. 1 by 18 minus 1 by 10. Okay, whether it is going negative. Second minus first. Second minus first. Because it will be a higher value. Second is the higher value. They have given like that. Based on the values, if you operate, let us see. There is no condition that A should not be negative or D should not be negative. There is no condition. We will check. Okay. So now 5D value is, if you take LCM here, we can put 90 and 5 times, 9 times. And if you take 5 to the left side, numerator it is minus 4 divided by 90 into 5. And D value is nothing but minus 2 by 45 into 5. 45 into 5. 225. 225. This is D value. Okay. It is 100% sure A value, D value, there is no condition that they should not be negative. Okay. A, D can be negative. There is no problem. Okay. And this is D, using it in equation 1. Using D in equation 1. What happens? Equation 1 is 1 by 10. Okay. 1 by 10, which is A plus 5D. And we need A value, which is 1 by 10 minus 5D. And substitute the D value. Minus 5 into D value is minus 2 by 225. You have any clarification, any doubts, you can speak out. Now I am cancelling this with 5. 5 4s are 5s are. Denominator we are having 45 as the LCM. If I take 90, it becomes 9 plus 4, and 13 by 90 is the A value. A value is 13 by 90. Okay. So straight away this A value, this D value you can use in harmonic progression, because harmonic is reciprocal of arithmetic progression. Now T6, all complete. Left side I am following HP, right side I am following AP, and this become 1 by A value is 13 by 90 plus 5 into D value is minus 2 by 225. Minus 2 by 225. If you simplify, it becomes 1 by, if you make here cancellation, it is 45. Make LCM 90, it becomes 13 and minus 4, and this will be 90 divided by, denominator is 9. 10 is the value. Sorry. Already given. This is not required. What I should find is 16th term. What I should find is 16th term. Okay. So this is a repetition. Already value is given 10. Already value is given. 6th term value is given 10. So I am supposed to find 16th term. I thought 6th term. Okay. Now I am going to 16th term, calculation 16th term. We know the general representation of 16th term, 1 by a plus 15 into d, 1 by a plus 15 into d, and you use the a value, d value, 13 by 90 plus 15 into minus 2 by 225. If you simplify here, 15 15s are. If you make LCM in the denominator as 90, this becomes 13 minus 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Okay. If you invert this, this becomes 90. 90 is the final answer. 16th term, it is 90. Okay, is the final answer. What I have done, if you check the entire solution, if you check the entire solution, this is the general format of HP. This is step 1, given details. This is step 1, given details. Okay. And in step 2, I have converted them to arithmetic progression. Step 2, I have converted them to arithmetic progression. And I have calculated D value. I have calculated D value. Nowhere condition A and D should be positive. Okay, they can be any value, decimal points, anything possible. And in step 3, I am substituting D value in order to find A value. And I calculated A value 13 by 90. A value 13 by 90. Now I am coming to step 4. I have finally gone with the 16th term in harmonic progression. 16th term in harmonic progression. And I substituted the value of A and D. Final answer is 90. Final answer is 90. Okay. This is about the method how we have to follow. Now, if you see the next question, write the nth term of the sequence. This is the sequence given. This is the sequence given. What is the nth term in the sequence? What is the nth term in the sequence? Okay. If you observe, there is no standard arithmetic or standard geometric or standard harmonic progression going on here. So it is a model of mixed progression. It is a model of mixed progression. Some places harmonic, some places arithmetic, some places geometric. Okay. There is some logic, but it is not a single type. Okay. It is not arithmetic, not GP, not HP. So I am calling it as a mixed fraction. Now, what is the nth term? What is the nth term? I will just observe it. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. Okay. Everywhere, now I am supposed to find nth term. I am supposed to find nth term. Okay. Now, if you see only numerators, first term is 3, second term is 5, 7. Okay. If I consider only numerators, it is like 3, 5, 7, like this. It is following arithmetic progression. It is following arithmetic progression. First term is A, and the difference is second term minus first term, which is D. First term A value is 3, and the difference is 2. Okay. Now, in the nth term, numerator, what will be the numerator in nth term? Okay. So, A plus n minus 1 into D, because it is a geometric progression. Numerator is following, arithmetic progression. Numerator is following arithmetic progression. So, I am using the formula for nth term in arithmetic progression, and A value is 3 and D value is 2. Okay. And if you operate 3 plus 2n minus 2, and it is 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is the numerator in nth term. Numerator in nth term. Okay. Now coming to denominator. Okay. Coming to denominator, I have first term and second term. First factor, second factor. Denominator, first factors are in the form 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like that. So nth term will be n square. There is no doubt in it. Okay. So numerator, I am taking 2n plus 1 because AP I have already calculated. Denominator, first factor I am taking n square because this is the fashion followed in denominator, first factors. In the second factors, denominator, it is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that. Just one increase. Okay, one value increased. So one value I will increase, n plus 1 whole square. I will take the second factor in denominator as n plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is a mixed fraction. Just we have to analyze and do it. Just we have to analyze and do it. This is a mixed fraction progression. This is a mixed progression. We have to analyze and do it. Okay, if you just recall what all we have done, this is a mixed fraction. In step 1, we analyze the numerators. Step 1, we analyze the numerators, and the nth term in step 1, we got numerator. Okay, numerator, nth term. Okay, in nth term, the numerator will be 2n plus 1. Numerator will be 2n plus 1. Step 2, we are analyzing the denominator. Denominator, we have first factor. Denominator, we have second factor. So first factor, we got n square in the nth term. Second factor, we got n plus 1 whole square. Substitute all that. This is the nth term in the given mixed progression model. Okay, given question is mixed progression model. So finally, step 3, we are forming the nth term of the mixed progression. Okay, step 1, numerator analysis. Step 2, denominator analysis, first factor, second factor. Then we are finalizing the nth term in the given mixed progression. Okay, now this is the last question in AP, GP, HP. We have touched AP questions, and we have also solved some questions on GP. We have also solved some questions in HP, harmonic progression also we have solved. Okay, and then coming to mixed progression also we have done 2 problems. Mixed progression also we have done 2 problems. Okay, this is one problem in mixed progression. This is another problem in mixed progression. All the things we have done. Now this is a gate question. This is a gate question. What is the value of 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 64 plus 1 by 256 plus and so on. First of all, I would like to hear from you which answer. Let us come to the answer. Which progression is this? First of all, have you identified the type of progression in this? Have you identified the type of progression in this? Have you identified the type of progression in this? No answer? Any answer? Any common addition going on or common multiplication going on or denominators are in AP model?
1 by 4, ma'am.
Yes, every term, okay, every successive term, it is getting multiplied with 1 by 4. Okay, so a common ratio is available. Common ratio is available. Every successive term, it is getting multiplied with 1 by 4. So given is a geometric progression. Given is a geometric progression. And this is an infinite series. This is an infinite series. Okay, so sum of infinite series, addition. Plus 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 means this is addition. Okay, addition, what is the answer? Addition, what is the answer? So geometric progression, sum of infinite terms, we have a formula a by 1 minus r. Okay, all these are given in the first slide itself. In the formulas, you can see sum of infinite terms, last formula in GP, a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. Okay, infinite geometric progression, sum of terms. Sum of terms in infinite geometric progression. Now we know that a value is nothing but first term, r value we just identified, it is 1 by 4. Otherwise we have the formula for calculating r value. Okay, the first term is called a and r is nothing but second term by first term. Second term by first term, this is the first term, 1 by 4 is second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that. Okay, second term divided by first term, it is 1 by 4. Substitute, simplify. 1 is a value, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 by, this is 3 by 4 and it is 4 by 3. Okay, so sum of infinite terms in geometric progression. In geometric progression. Okay, our answer is option D. Our answer is option D. With this, I will close for this session. The next class, we will go with the next topic.